have an unboxing for you. This is a little bit different though. This is not a wheel per se, but it does have to do with wheels. These are actually lug nuts. Let me show you. Vossen has their own lug nuts and even lug bolts. I just don't have any here, but these are all the lug nuts. They have these for all their wheels and they will fit even other brands. So this is the front of the box. Again, Vossen packaging is always on point with the red and the white. Everything looks super clean. You got this clear window showing through all the lug nuts that are inside the box. Right here you have this cool design that Vossen has, which is the lug nut. Bottom here, it shows you what the lug nuts are made out of, which is cold force 7075 aluminum. These are a lot lighter than your normal steel lug nuts. On the side here, a little bit more Vossen branding in 20 pieces. In the back here, you have some basic information about lug nuts and how to use them, how to install them, things like that. Letting you know this is a 19mm hex head, the length of the lug nut, and the anti-scratch washer. I'm gonna show you what this is, guys. This is really cool. I think for you to really be able to appreciate what this is or why this is so cool, I have to show you a regular lug nut so you understand the differences. So this is a typical regular lug nut, right? Just one into a, come on, focus. I feel like I'm a beauty guru. And I'm using this pattern. Boom. This is a regular lug nut. Just normal steel lug nut. As you can tell, these are pretty standard. You can pretty much get these anywhere. One of the major problems with these is, especially if you have really nice wheels, is that whenever you torque these down into your wheels when you're done, you know, putting them on and everything, these typically bite down on your finish on your wheels. If you have like nice Vossen forged wheels or any $6, $7, $8, $9, $10,000 wheels or more, you kind of want to protect the finish, so you probably paid a premium for the finish. This is the true beauty of these. On the bottom here, you see this black ring? It spins. Can you hear it? This black ring spins, and what this does is this actually is an independent washer, and this keeps the lug nut from biting down on your finish when you're torquing them. So what that does is it preserves your finish. So if you have, you know, a nice polished, brushed, transparent finish that costs maybe $1,000 extra or whatever, you're not going to damage it like you would with something like this that will definitely bite into it over time, and especially after, you know, you do a bit of tire rotation or changing tires, it's gonna look kind of bad. But besides that, let's just talk about other parts of this that makes it so cool. So on the front of the lug nut, you have a red V for Vossen. On the side, you have Vossen branding. And on the other side, you have the size of the lug nut. So this is a 14 by 1.5. So this is great for like Teslas. This is great for Mustangs, a lot of Fords. Most cars will take this if they take lug nuts. But of course, if your car is not this, do not worry. They do have 12 by 1.5, 12 by 1.25. And they do even have these in the bolt versions as well for like European cars like Mercedes and BMWs. But I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, well, Haywood, that's all nice and fancy and everything, but like, what about locks? I need locks. Don't worry, I got you. Oh my God, oh my God. Don't worry, I got you. Look, I have matching locks. This is sold separately from the lug nuts. So if you just want the lug nuts, you can just get that. If you want the locks too, you can get that separately. You don't have to get it, it's up to you, not a big deal. But if you do want to protect your wheels, I say you should get them. Why not, right? Especially if you have nice wheels. No one wants to wake up in the morning with their car on bricks, right? Anyways, so you got normal red, white packaging like you saw. Here's the back side. Just some more info, again, for people who may not have installed lug nuts before or locks before. Just some basic info on that. Nothing on the side or the top or the other side. So on the inside, you have some instructions on how to torque them down if you never knew how. Star pattern, guys, star pattern. So as you can see, these look very similar to these. These are the same pretty much. The only difference that you'll notice is that these have a different sort of spline grooving to it versus these. This will obviously take your normal 19mm hex head, whereas this will take a special key. And that special key is this. Look at that, it even has Vossen branding on it. So these four that you see here will require this key to take them off, which makes them unique because obviously this key is unique. You won't get this key anywhere else. So every kit has their own unique key. So when you buy it, you'll know that your key is specific to just this kit.